We're starting the Hamburg Trail. It is windy as hell. There's the trailhead. Cars parked, locked up. And first beautiful day we've had in a long time. Taking the bike out for its first real paces. I'm going to ride the Hamburg Trail to Lost Valley Trail and see how the conditions are. If it's too muddy, then I'm not going to go on it. That's why I'm staying on this paved, or hard gravel I should say. Part of Hamburg is paved. So this is the first crossing here, Highway 94. Spring peepers. All right, 20 miles an hour. Ooh, this is rather muddy. Ah, it goes right through it. Going right through it. Not even a wiggle. Oh, branch is falling. I don't know, maybe this isn't such a good idea to ride through here. Seems like a lot more than 4 miles. Going to go a little bit down this and then turn around, eat one of my power bars and then some liquid and then turn around. I just want to, ooh, that's beautiful to the left here. Windy as hell. Well, there's a lot of flooding down here, which was expected. The river's way up, and I'll bet these sloughs are just full of catfish. Let's have a look. Well, I think I'm gonna turn around here and sit at that bench for a minute, have a power bar, and then make the journey back. I'll have to take a look at my track recording to see how far back it is. But I think it's more than 4 miles. 4.3, something like that. There you have it, 5.6 miles back to the car. And it's mostly uphill, half of it anyway. At least I got the wind behind me. 4 miles an hour up this gradual hill, so that's not bad. It's a real easy pace. And then I've got maybe a mile uphill, and then it flattens out again. All right.